7 phrases to use to become a direct selling superstar. Direct selling is a rising phenomenon in India and is on course to become the future of how e-retail businesses will be run. The easy adaptability, low startup cost, and flexible work hours that direct sellers enjoy is likely to be the major attractions to this profession. Direct sellers need to grow their network by way of working hard and smart and make a name for themselves. Also, just like a sales job, the direct selling profession demands a good attitude, a positive mindset, and good social skills. QNet in India is one of India's biggest direct selling companies, with thousands of direct sellers involved in marketing and selling QNet India products. They are some of the best in the business, and if you want to know their secret, we have good news for you. Here are 7 phrases that direct sellers make use of during their sales calls. Because you are worth it. All customers want to feel wanted, and as a direct seller, it is your primary responsibility to make them feel that they matter. Telling them that they are worth it is a good way to capture their interest and make them feel significant. For a limited time only. People love limited time deals. With the time if running out rhetoric, your sales will see a surge and you can enjoy better success. It is all about creating more demand for your products, and putting a clock on a sale certainly speeds things up. Why wait for tomorrow? When prospects have second thoughts or express doubts, it is your job to remind them of the benefits that they will enjoy. Never postpone for tomorrow that which can be done today. These are golden rules to live by. Be your own boss. Independence is always more appealing than being at somebody else's disposal. In direct selling, a gainful employment opportunity is what you should be selling, not just your products. It is a steal. This is true for everyone. People love discounts or products on sale. Making all your products seem like steal deals is definitely the best way to present to your clients. Get it before anyone else. By using that to your advantage, you can push your sale forward by suggesting that the customer could get in on the ground floor. Get it before anyone else is a choicest of phrases that will attract a customer to the deal. It adds an aura of excitement and being exclusive. Please and thank you. This may seem like a no-brainer, but more people need to use please and thank you. Being polite costs nothing. So, by behaving courteously and delivering sincerely, you can win a lot of hearts. These 7 phrases could be instrumental in how your sale goes, and it is always best to be safe rather than sorry. Becoming a successful direct seller is an achievable goal, and you need to do everything that you can, starting with your approach.